Stop by and take a look at the 2023 LEAF. The Nissan LEAF, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, front wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, rear parking aid, steel wheels, wheel covers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.